Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share and export your whiteboards on the Webex app. So on the left-hand panel, you can just click on whiteboards and select the whiteboard that you would want to share or you would want to export. On the upper right-hand corner, you will be shown the share button. You can click that. You can enter the name or the email address of the person that you want to share your whiteboard with, or you could copy the link to your whiteboard as so. The three dots on the upper right-hand corner next to share can have you rename your whiteboard or export it as a PDF. So once you export it as a PDF, it's going to be saved onto your device where you could have it uploaded as a file on any of your spaces on your WebEx app. You can also have it shared to any other platform that you already have as a PDF file. And that's it. That's how you export and share your whiteboards on the WebEx app.